Well, the main purpose of your community landing page is essentially to communicate and connect with another person. And storytelling is one of the best forms of human connection. And your copy is your storyteller. So let me tell you a story. You may have heard me tell this story in the past. In 2018, I curated a film festival panel on the impact of sound and silence in film. And while preparing, I spoke with leaders in sound and music, including Steve Warfield, who designed the world's quietest room, a space so silent that you can hear your own heartbeat. In one conversation, he shared research from a school building project. Even though that building was designed for accessibility, they found that everyone, whether or not those individuals had accessibility needs, preferred the more accessible environment when compared to other school buildings. And of course, when spaces are easier to use, we all benefit from them. So, when your copy is clear and accurate, your landing page is more accessible, and as we just learned, increasing accessibility benefits everyone. When your copy is organized and concise, your landing page helps you communicate clearly. When your copy is honest and personable, your landing page helps you inspire connection with the people who resonate with your story. And when your copy is direct and transparent, your landing page helps you grow an engaged audience because people are able to decide for themselves if they're a good fit for your community, meaning that your landing page can help grow an engaged audience for you.